Hey, Mr. Chinn here with a flower dissection, looking at all of the parts of the flower. So let's see what we have here. On the outside first, the sepals. And on this kind of flower, the sepals and petals look very similar to each other. But we're going to take the outermost three as sepals. I'm going to carefully peel those off. I'm going to put them on my flower mount over here. There's one. There's two. There's three. And then I have the petals. And the petals have these markings on them. Anyone have any idea what those markings are from? I'm going to take those off as well. Uh-oh. Oof. Not what I wanted. And there's one. Here's two. And here's a third. Now I have the stamen, which has the filament and this thing on the top called the anther. There's one. There's two. There's three. Here's four. Here's five. And here's six, without the anther on the top. What's left here is called the pistil, with the stigma on top. I'm going to tear that off. And now very carefully, with my knife, I'm going to slice this part right here so you can see what's inside. And see inside is what we call the ovary. The ovary. So those are your parts of the flower, how flowering plants reproduce.